you guys, if you want to make a BB gun, just like, it's not as powerful as a BB gun, of course, but like all you need to do is get a BB. Of course you need BBs and a pin. And what you do with the pin, you already did it. You break off the end, or you can cut it. I broke. You can cut or break it, and then you put your lips up to the softest part so you don't cut your lips, and you insert the BB at that end, and then go. And then you blow. Okay? Now, that's all you have to do. That's easy. You can shoot a lot at a time. Watch, I'll put about this much in there. Watch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Crap, I shot them all already. Okay, well, I'm going to put about 6 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then all you have to do is just blow. See, it shoots all of it. See, that's easy. You can try it out. Just make sure your mom don't care or your dad don't care. Well, I guess I'll be seeing ya. Bye. Oh, and subscribe if you like it and if it works.